And good morning again after the 6 a.m. good morning from the monks next door. So I had a little game plan today. I thought I'd get it all to flow, get the doors in primer, then rub the roof down, get some colour on the roof. Unfortunately, it's all gone a little bit pear-shaped. Absolutely honking down just now. As you can see, no, you can't see, can you? Because the phone won't focus. But anyway, that's rain. It's kind of blowing in. You see, when the wind blows hard enough, the rain comes up underneath the sheeting. So I can't risk putting any colour on the roof today. But thankfully, I'll focus, you piece of crap. I'll give up. Just pretend you can see what... Yeah, there you go. So anyway, thankfully, I managed to get these three... Oh God, I've done it again. I managed to get these three back in primer. And like I said, down came the rain. So we'll have to find a plan B. Well, this could be a plan B, because... I need to finish the paintwork off on the tank. There's a couple more coats of lacquer to cover them decals, really. Nah, can't be bothered with that. How about this plan B? Yeah, we've had that running. Okay, I have to think of a different plan B. Oh yeah, this plan B was I thought I'd come up here and see what kind of tidiness Minitron had arranged all the parts in, and basically kind of looks like she just opened the door and threw it all in there. No, I'm not going to sort that out. Where's the next plan B? Yeah. No. I can't see me tidying any of that lot up today. Not at all. Well, I think really the only plan B now is to open the fridge door up and get the beer out. See you all later.